So the diesel over here is called Gazoli or Gazola or whatever, I'm not French. And it's yellow, which is kind of confusing.
Venez découvrir notre Jeep à 100 mètres d'ici. Une agence avec
The gas pump is talking to us.
Toute agence sur toute la
I was just saying to Colin how when there's no voice, everybody looks the same. You know, it's only the language which is the barrier, and it's kind of crazy because I've come all the way to France. You wouldn't think that you're here in France. You know, some of these places we're going to, it just looks like the UK. It just looks normal.
Apart from the goats.
Apart from the goats. I mean,
chickens.
Totally different country, yet it just feels the same.
Just up here somewhere.
Yeah, right. So we've finally got to the second location. It's starting to get dusk.
How the fuck?
What a location it is. What a location. Fucking hell. Hello, doggy. They've got their dogs, haven't they? I told you it feels like we're in bloody Belfast. Right then, we're here. Got the old, we got caught by an old bird, an old French bird. Wow. Oh, there's an E30 there. So clearly this place has suffered a major fire. Got E30. Wow. The poor E30. Hey? Mark II Golf. Oh no way, yeah. What a shame.
Oh my god.
I thought BMW. Yeah, definitely BM. Without a doubt, yeah. Look at the old wheel trims.
God, I'm sure that's an old BMW.
I thought it said stick then. Look at that. The amount of car parts here knocking about is unreal. What a shame for this BMW. Someone's had the badges off it. She certainly shouldn't be here. So I've come to this seemingly abandoned car graveyard. It was obviously a workshop, and it's had a massive fire, and all the roofs caved in. So there are classic cars underneath here. There's a Mark II Golf there. The main thing here, one of the heartbreaking things here, is this classic BMW. What a shame. Now, I'm not too sure what car this is. I was going to say an E9, but I know it's not an E9 because she hasn't got the air vent there, and the back end's a bit... I am a man about a BMW. I absolutely love BMWs, and the ones that know I love my E30s. She's an old school pillarless coupe, which is obviously one of the best ones to have, but I'm not too sure what it is. I'm kind of going to leave it up to you. I was going to say, was it a CSL? I know it's definitely 1970s. I mean, look at that there. With that beautiful chrome. Look at this chrome here, how gorgeous that is. Look at that chrome. Beautiful car back in its day. Got all chrome here too. It's all got most of the window glass in. There's loads of car parts on the floor here. What are those off? Are they off a Golf? Kind of hard to tell. BMW wheel trims too. Classic BMW wheel trims. Little turbo wheel trims as well. But there are lots of car parts here. What's these clocks off here? Can't tell. But we're going to have a look a bit more around the shop, because just heard a car pull up, so I'll be back in a second. Right, let's keep looking. This whole place has been burnt to a crisp. That old steering wheel. It's got the boss kit on it too. Still got the boss kit on. I wonder what that's off. Oh, this place gets better and better. Absolutely unreal. BMW 36. Another BMW 36 two-door there. The car's got way over there. Look at all the E36s. It's a three-door E30. I'm just, Mark II Golf. E36 Touring. Clearly there were a lot of cars here. They've all been moved. 320i. Look at this Porsche here. It's one of those locations where you've got to be really quiet. I hate when I find cars like this, because you know this is a true final resting ground. An E46 here. Damaged. Wow, look at that. Look at the wheels. She's proper low, isn't she? Back end really took off. Oh my goodness. God, look at all the cars. Oh my god. They just go on forever. And they're all in the bushes too. Golf, Mark II. Unreal. Oh look. BMW E30 touring. What the f, man? I'm sorry, my old girl. I touched that E30 and the alarm started going off. Look at those seats. I know a good Mark II Golf I do. The seats are lovely, those seats are. This is the worst car graveyard I've been to in a long time. I'm absolutely heartbroken. I'm fed up. I want to go now. France can piss off. I'm heartbroken, I really am. Absolutely heartbroken. 3-door E30. Another Mark II Golf. Another Mark II Golf. Mileage is in kilometres obviously, so it's 243,000 kilometres. Look at the wheels, look. Some decent wheels they are. What happened to this place? Why did it get left like this? Another Mark II Golf and another Mark II Golf. A Citroen here. Got a Citroen 2CV there, look. And then we've got a little Peugeot over there. It's so heartbreaking when you find these types of cars. I mean, it's the same story over and over again, isn't it? Why they ended up like this? What happened to the owner? Again, it's just that common conversation I have with myself. She's been gutted. Yeah, it's the same conversation I have with myself all the time. It's like, why this? Why then? Who? Why? Where? How? Looks like we've got the Fast and the Furious car in the bushes there. Got engine blocks here, look, just knocking about. A little Polo here. Another 2-door E30 there. I've never seen so many E30s in one spot, apart from that abandoned, well, not so much abandoned, but forecourt with all the E30s. They weren't really abandoned, they were kind of like owned but neglected, so to speak. But this place is abandoned. These cars are just left here. I don't know what the laws are in France about car scrappage, but so far I've counted, I don't know, 5, 6 Golf Mark II. One E30 3-door there. There's a E30 2-door, E30 touring here. There's another E30 2-door there, 3-door there. I mean, the amount of E36s there are, there's like, there's a lot of E36s. E36, E36. $155,000 kilometres. You never guess what I've just spotted. I think I've spotted an E24. Let's have a look. Oh no, it's not. It's an E21. Oh my god. I hate this plate, I do. Look at that. Poor E21 3 Series. What the crap, man. 124,000 kilometres. I'm fast running at a daylight I am. So we've got BMW E30s, E36s, E46s, 5 Series, 7 Series. We've got Golf Mark II, Mark III, Citroens, we've got convertibles, Tourings. Yeah, I'm speechless. I really am. This is last year nostril. Well, we haven't really looked down this end. I kind of just scooted up there, I did. And I had a look up there, so we'll have a look down here. Look at the gap we've got to get through, so tight. E36, rear tail lenses. I've had quite a few E36 Tourings. They're really nice cars, really. Good for drifting. Got this 944 here. This is what graveyards are made of. Yeah. Very sad. The interior looks okay still.
Yeah.
That little Peugeot there. E36, another E36, E36, E36. It's got most of her guts, still. See, that looks like a familiar picture, doesn't it? With all this growing around it. Same as that Peugeot we found not so long ago. Oh, she's been stripped. she's definitely been stripped. Look at the spoiler. So that one that we found, remember we found the spoiler in the bushes. This is a rubber spoiler, that last one was a plastic spoiler. So I'm pretty sure that last one we found had an aftermarket spoiler, because I've always thought they were rubber, and this is a rubber spoiler, so this is really rare. Yeah, I always wanted to do a little 309. E36 front bumper, E36 rear end. This place is littered and stuff. Little Seat Ibiza up there in the bushes. 3-door Mark II Golf. An old sign there, look. Beer sign. I mean, you see these Mark II just chucked like they're nothing. Wow. A little Clio. Is that an Evo bumper?
Yeah, it fucking is.
Fuck's sake, man. Yeah, an Evo bumper there, look. That's madness, that is. So on top of the shed up there, which you can't really see, there's a 924. That shed can't even hold itself, let alone a bloody Porsche. Can you see the Porsche there? Look. I mean, what the heck is that Porsche doing on the shed? I think that's it, ladies and gentlemen. There's not much more we can see in this location. It's getting quite dark now, so visibility isn't the best. So me and Colin, no, there's a van just pulled up. I think me and Colin are in trouble. So what we're going to do now is end the video here. So from me and Colin, nothing but love and respect. And until next time, remember, don't limit yourself and keep car hunting. I'll see you all soon. Right, as I mentioned, I said that there was a van pulled up. It was the old bill. There was a French constabulary, and me and Colin got collared, didn't we, bro?
Yeah, it was quite funny though, wasn't it?
Yeah, absolutely lovely people. No communication whatsoever.
No.
They had guns on their waist.
Yeah, I know.
They had guns on their waist. It was like, but you know, they let us go. So we're now going to travel 4 hours, isn't it, bro?
Well, yeah, it's 4 hours to our hotel tomorrow and 4 hours to another place.
So 4 hours to the hotel and then 4 hours tomorrow to another place. So let's get on and see what we can see.